The course is called UCSF Arthroplasty for the Modern Surgeon.
The target audience for this course is certainly the arthroplasty surgeon, the surgeon who does hip and knee replacement, who treats patients, not just a subspecialized arthroplasty surgeon, but the general arthroplasty surgeon as well.
It's a course that has really melded technology along with arthroplasty and really bringing a lot of great minds from across the country to talk about where we are in terms of our standard orthopedic care, but where we can see ourselves in the future.
The goal of this course is to show the latest and greatest, like it's in the title, right? Innovation, technology. I think everyone who does orthopedics, we love gadgets. The course is every fall, and we're on a kind of semi-annual rotating basis between Northern California and Southern California. So we're really excited to have partners with the HOI Orthopedic Institute.
One year it'll be located in Northern California and 1 year in Southern California, and I think that's a really nice way to deliver the course locally. Napa is one of the most incredible destinations in the world. Not only do you have great wine to drink and good food and good golf to play, it's usually great weather, but it's also a relaxed atmosphere.
So I think having this outside of your normal urban area is great. This gives you a little bit of a getaway from the hectic urban life and gives you a little bit of respite. I think Napa is a great place to do it.
We want people to just come and be able to have a good time while learning.